Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the love potion and the Valentine's totem in Fish It Game of Roblox new Valentine's update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Valentine's update has been released in Fish It Game of Roblox and there are new items. The first one is the love potion and the second one is the Valentine's totem. And you can get both of them at the Heartfelt Island. So first of all, you need to go to the Heartfelt Island, and this is new island from the Valentine's update. And then you're going to go to the shop. Okay, the shop is here guys. Wait, I'm still looking for the shop. Okay, right here. Okay, you can meet the florist and talk to her, and then you're going to click on view shop, and here you will be able to buy the love potion and also the love totem. And for the love potion you will need 800 valentine coins. Meanwhile, for the love totem you will need 2,200 valentine coins, and you can get the valentine coins by fishing at the at the Heartfelt Island. You can fish here, and by fishing you will be able to get the Valentine's coin. Wait, let me start fishing here. Okay, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the love totem and then the love potion in Fish It Game of Roblox Valentine's update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.